Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be starting our new lesson, and our new lesson is about it's called cell structure and function. Okay, cell structure and cell function. What do we mean by structure? Shape. And what do we mean by function? Job. So in the last lesson we know that cells, all living things are made of cells. In this lesson we're going to learn about how the cell's shape is and what is its job. Okay, this is what we're going to learn about in this lesson. We're going to be talking about the cell shape and the job of the cell. Okay, and the types of the cell and all that stuff. First thing is we're comparing the cell. First of all living things are made of cells, and we are comparing the cell to a human being. Okay, now in a human being, okay, the human being has organs like the heart, okay, and the lungs, and he has a lot of other organs, bladder, kidney, a lot of other organs, pancreas. Now the human being has organs, and each organ has a shape, and each organ has a job. Like, for example, the job of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body. The job of the lungs is to breathe in and out air. The shape of the lungs is different from the shape of the heart. So just like the human being has organs, the cell also has organs. They are called organelles. Now, before we go into that, we have to know that cells carry out certain functions. And what do we mean by function? We mean job. So cells carry out certain functions. They have certain jobs. They store information, just like a computer, just like your brain. They collect energy from the environment, just like you eat food for energy. The cell collects energy. The cell uses the energy to carry out functions. That means the cell uses the energy to do its job. If you don't eat food, you're not able to live, you're not able to move around, you're not able to do anything. So you need energy. Where do you get energy? From food. Same thing, cell gets energy from around it in order to perform jobs. Cells get rid of waste. You know how you go to the bathroom and you get rid of waste? Cells also get rid of waste. So cells have jobs. Okay? Now, who does these jobs? The organelles inside the cell. So this is the cell, and then see all these small things inside the cell. These are called organelles. Organelles. Okay? Say it. When you hear me say it in the video, say it on your own. Organelles. What are organelles? They are little organs. So what's an organelle? It's a little organ. Okay, and then if you look here, you notice that the cell has so many of these organelles. Okay, now here we show them to you bigger, so they got them here and they made them bigger. Like, for example, look at this, it's here, it's bigger. Now we're going to be learning about all of these. This whole lesson, we're going to take it this week and next week. 2 weeks, we're just going to be learning about what each of these will do, and this is what the whole lesson is about. What each of these organelles will do. But what are organelles? They are small organs inside your body. Okay, now all cells have different organelles. We forget about this slide, we talk about it later. I want you to know that we have 2 types of cells. We have prokaryotic cells and we have eukaryotic cells. 2 prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are the unicellular. Remember when we said we have unicellular and multicellular? Yes, unicellular بنسميهم prokaryotic cells. Say it when you hear me say it in the video. Multicellular بنسميهم eukaryotic cells. This isn't eukaryotic, no, that's how we say it, eukaryotic cells. Okay, البروكاريوتيك cells هن اليونيسيلولر يلي معمولين من one cell، والمالتي cellular يلي معمولين من many. Okay, so eukaryotic cell is a multicellular organism and a prokaryotic is a unicellular. So you have two types of cells that we're going to be learning about. We're going to be learning about prokaryotic cells tomorrow, but this is what I wanted to tell you for today. The video tomorrow will show you about prokaryotic cells, and next week we will learn about eukaryotic cells. Okay, that's it for today.